Listen carefully. If you skip even one part of this video, you will miss the most important details. And if you miss them, you will never fully become that guy. So watch till the end, because every single step connects to the next one. This is not entertainment. This is education. And if you apply what I say today, your whole life will start to change. Let's begin. Step 0. Identity shift. Before you change your looks, money, or style, you have to change how you see yourself. Most guys say, one day I'll be confident or successful, and that's why they stay stuck. To be that guy, act like you already are. Walk like you belong, talk like you respect yourself, and give off good energy. Ask yourself, what would that guy do right now? If you're nervous, imagine how a confident man would act and copy it until it becomes natural. Just like a smoker who stops saying, I'm trying to quit, and instead says, I don't smoke. That's identity change. Stop saying, I want to glow up. Start saying, I'm already on the path. Step 1. Self-care routine. Now, let's move to your daily self-care. If you don't take care of your body and face, no amount of gym or style is going to save you. This is the base layer of your glow-up. At the minimum, you need to wash your face morning and night, moisturize, and use sunscreen in the day. Keep your hair clean, your nails trimmed, and your breath fresh. These are basics, but you will be shocked how many guys ignore them. But let me give you something deeper. Self-care is not only about hygiene, it's also about energy. Do you sleep on time? Do you drink enough water? Do you give your body rest from screens? A man who sleeps 8 hours looks sharper than a man who sleeps 3 hours, no matter how much skincare he uses. A man who eats clean food glows more than a man who eats junk every day. Think of your body like your phone. If you never charge it properly and you keep downloading viruses, it will look dead and weak. But if you take care of it, it runs smooth and strong. That's what self-care really is. Step 2. Fitness in the gym. Now we talk about the gym. I don't care who you are, you need to train your body. A strong body changes the way people see you. But more importantly, it changes the way you see yourself. When you look in the mirror and see progress, you gain a level of confidence you cannot fake. And this is not just about muscles. Going to the gym teaches you discipline. You push when it's painful. You stay consistent even when you don't feel like it. And that discipline starts to show in other areas of your life. People around you will notice too. The first time someone says, bro, you've changed, it will hit different. The first time a girl compliments your shoulders or your jawline after losing fat, you will feel unstoppable. Here's the real example. Take a skinny guy who starts lifting. In 1 year, his body fills out. He doesn't even have to say he goes to the gym. His frame says it for him. Or a guy who was overweight loses fat and builds a V-taper. Suddenly his clothes fit better. His face looks sharper, and people treat him differently. This is the power of fitness. Step 3. Money and independence. Now let's talk about money. You cannot fully be that guy if you're always broke or depending on someone else. Money gives you freedom. It gives you options. It lets you live the lifestyle you dream of. But most people complain it's too hard and then go back to scrolling on their phone. Here's the truth. There are more ways than ever to make money in today's world. You don't have to wait until you're 40 to get rich. You can start small, but you have to start. Whether it's freelancing online, building a YouTube channel, selling products, or learning a skill that people will pay you for, the opportunities are there. The only question is, are you going to take them? Let me give you an example. Imagine 2 guys. Both work a regular 9 to 5 job. One of them spends all his money on parties, food, and wasting time. The other uses that same job to fund a side hustle, learning skills, and investing. After 5 years, the first guy is still stuck. The second guy has multiple income streams and freedom. Which one do you want to be? Step 4. Dressing sharp. Now let's talk about your style. You could be fit, confident, and rich, but if you dress like you just rolled out of bed, nobody will take you seriously. Dressing well doesn't mean wearing expensive designer brands. It means wearing clothes that fit you, suit your frame, and give off the right energy. Start simple. Neutral colors like black, white, navy, gray, olive. These colors always match and never go out of style. Find clothes that actually fit your body. If you are skinny, Avoid clothes that make you look even smaller. If you are bigger, wear clothes that give structure but don't suffocate you. Here's the thing. When you dress well, people notice. They don't know why, but they respect you more. Imagine walking into a room in a clean, fitted shirt and good shoes compared to walking in with a wrinkled t-shirt and dirty sneakers. The difference in how people treat you is real. Step 5. Social energy and presence. Here's a step your competitor probably never told you. To be that guy, you also need presence. This is the energy you bring when you walk into a room. Do people feel calm and positive around you, or do they feel drained? That guy is not the loudest in the room, but he is the one people respect when he speaks. Work on your body language. Stand straight, shoulders back, eye contact strong but not creepy. Listen more than you talk. When you do talk, speak with clarity, not rushed or nervous. Learn to give value to conversations instead of trying to prove yourself all the time. Think about that one guy you know who doesn't talk much, but everyone notices when he enters. That's presence. And you can build it by working on your confidence, your energy, and your ability to stay calm under pressure. Step 6. Goals and purpose. Finally, to be that guy, you need direction. Without goals, you are just drifting. And drifting men never reach anywhere. You need to sit down and write your dream life. Not just random wishes, but a clear picture. Where do you live? What car do you drive? What do you look like? What do you earn? Who do you spend time with? Once you know that, break it down. What goals do you need to reach this year to get closer? Then break those into monthly, weekly, and daily goals. If you want to make 100K in 5 years, what can you do this year to move closer? If you want to get in shape, what workouts are you doing this week? This is how you turn dreams into reality. And don't just write them once. Look at your goals every single day. Remind yourself why you are working. Otherwise, you will get lazy, distracted, and lose focus. Goals are your map. Without them, you are lost. Now you have the full blueprint. Identity shift, self-care, fitness, money, style, presence, and goals. But here's the truth. 99% of people watching this will do nothing. They will nod their head, maybe feel motivated for 10 minutes, and then go back to wasting time. Don't be one of them. You have 2 choices right now. Treat this video like entertainment and stay the same. Or take action today and start building the life you want. Every step you take will compound over time. A year from now, you will look back and not even recognize yourself. The choice is yours.